Today we got a video from Police on Scene, and the title of the video is Delta Airlines puts woman on standby, all hell breaks loose.
We all know Delta Airlines for their on-time scheduling, reasonable prices, and extra leg room. However, what happens when one passenger decides to destroy Delta Airlines property? On June 30th, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for that passenger.
She's breaking up stuff. She was right here. She broke her computer. She broke up the mouth. She was banged up stuff all down there. Yes, right here. She needs to be arrested.
What's going on?
So I'm not even supposed to be in Atlanta, right?
Okay.
I get on the, I land here. I missed my flight all because they didn't have a ramp to take me off of the flight. So now I missed my flight. I get my flight rebooked. Mind you, I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. So he's telling me I'm on standby. I got the fuck mad.
So you destroyed their property?
I destroyed their property. What property did I destroy? I threw a chair that destroyed property?
They said you broke a computer or something?
I broke a computer. Go check and see what computer's broken. Go see if you see a crack on the screen or something.
That's what people telling me.
Okay, they can tell you whatever they want, but I threw one chair and I walked away. Because I started fucking crying. Because I'm mad and I have the right to fucking be mad. I was supposed to be home 4 days ago. I did not break anything. I threw a chair.
You got your ID on you, man?
The fuck, bro? Like...
Anything damaged? Anything broken down there?
I'll take my okay.
Here you go. Can you go in there and see anything broken?
Since I fucking broke something, please tell me what the fuck I broke. Here you go.
I'm Officer Boyd, okay? Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro. I really know. Like, I don't even give a fuck. I don't care. I don't give a fuck, yo. I'm still gonna fucking sue Delta. The fuck, I was supposed to been be home. Now I'm fucking mad and taking my anger out.
Man, so many lawsuits go around. I feel like every video, man, these police departments must be in litigation all the time, like lawsuit after lawsuit after lawsuit after lawsuit. Not only police departments, companies in general. You know, they don't get their way. Oh, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. Who are these lawyers that are taking on these cases? Because it seems like there is no case. Okay.
Oh, I destroyed property. Get the fuck out of here, yo. I was supposed to fucking be in the state, first of all. I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. But these airlines keep canceling, delaying my flight, and I'm not supposed to be upset about that? Oh, now because I'm upset, whatever, yo. I don't give a fuck. I really don't care. Like, this is funny as fuck. Before you pick up my bag, you're gonna rebook me a flight so I can go home. How about that? How about you sit down and settle that before you go get my luggage? Can you do that for me? Can you put me on another flight with another fucking whatever? I don't care. If it's the same airline, I don't give a fuck because I'm still gonna sue their ass. But it's just a simple fact, like, are you gonna put me on a flight so I can finally get home? I've been trying to get home for 3 days. I was just in a whole other state yesterday, now I'm in a whole other state. I'm not supposed to be here. So what are you gonna do? That's the question. That's what I'm trying to get you to answer. What are you doing right now?
She can't put herself on a flight. I mean, don't you got the app on your phone? Why somebody else got to put you on a flight?
Excuse me, sir. What's going on here?
Right now, I'm trying to see.
About to get locked up.
They say it was damages. I'm trying to see
what the fuck did I damage?
They say you broke the computer.
I broke the computer.
That's who.
Because there's no. If you want to go walk over there, there ain't no computer on the floor. Look, I should smack the shit out of who fucking lied to you and said I broke something. It was you?
Don't do that.
The fuck? Yeah. I'm more than frustrated. Sir, I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. You want to know something? Delta is the reason why I'm still here. And then for them to say I'm put on standby and I can't go home, like, that's crazy. I would have never missed my flight had y'all had the stupid ramp shit together. How the fuck y'all don't have a ramp for people to get off the flight and then have us wait in 30 minutes? I know
That's
it's not your
valid.
problem. You can get fucked less because you're not going through what the fuck I'm going through. Let me get the fuck out.
We're going to call corporate security.
She broke her
mouse and all of
tried
that.
to take the keyboard
Yeah.
and break it too. So that's
So we
federal
need our
property.
ID, we need to see everything. So we need to call corporate security. Yeah, I'm going to call corporate security.
So you see I'm not lying, right? But I know you know.
Because I called the tower. Yeah.
Easily arrested.
Yes.
Yeah. That's unacceptable in front of passengers. You got babies down there.
So she broke the
Yes, that's
at
no,
D8.
at D8. She was at D6 and
She ripped out the mouse out of the computer at D8.
Oh, the wheelchair.
And the whole
So we need
keyboard, she
our
flung it
ID
across.
so that corporate security can get it.
Is anybody possible? Because I don't want to leave it by herself. Is anybody possible to take photographs of the damages?
I need her boarding pass. We need her boarding pass.
That's what they read.
Sorry.
They say, oh, that's y'all. That's the whole thing. Like improve. Yeah, the mouse and everything. You
We need her boarding pass and her ID because I need to see her confirmation.
Because she gave, we're here in the middle of the conference.
Check this out. That's all she did was take that, rip the mouse off the thing. She said she did a chair, but yeah.
And them two doors on these.
Well, what happened at D6?
Excuse me. What did you say about the D6 doors?
I saw her down in the door.
Okay.
And from what the ladies over there said, that she was slamming the wheelchair against it too. But I didn't see that. But I was just coming out.
So this happened at D8. She banging on the door at D6.
D7 and D6.
Because the flight was leaving at D6. But she started D6 and then she was leaving down the concourse.
All right.
You called 911?
The mouse, keyboard, and all that.
No, the agent called 911.
Hey,
You always come.
I know it.
Always come.
I swear every time I'm here, it's going down. Like I ain't like, I was like,
That's the only thing that's gonna fucking help with it. People don't give a fuck. So.
Assume the position.
Alright, go ahead.
Assume the position. Stand up, man. Put your hands behind your back.
Who this? This your dad?
Just listen to what he has to say, please.
Hello. What's going on, man? All right. Everybody good? All right, miss. Stand up.
I'm getting arrested?
Yeah, you get arrested.
Nah, I'm not getting arrested.
You are.
That's some bullshit. No, I'm not.
Stand up.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting arrested. The fuck? Shit crazy.
I know. You stand up.
No, don't touch me. Get off of me. I'm not playing. Get off of
No.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You
Get
going-
off of me.
you going to
I don't
jail.
care.
That's what it is.
No, I'm not. Get off. Get the fuck off of me, yo.
Sis, I'm not
Bro,
trying-
get the fuck
I'm
off
not
of
trying
me.
to
I'm
hurt
not
you.
playing, bro. Bro, get off of me, bro.
Sis,
Get off of me.
don't get the
Damn,
more
bro.
charges.
Damn, bro.
Don't get the more charges. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Damn, bro.
Get off of me.
I'm not trying to hurt
See
you.
that? You see this, babe? I hope you see this, babe.
I don't say it, but you can have it. I don't want to hurt you. Sis, I don't want to hurt you.
Really? Alright. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
Do what you gotta do.
It's all good.
You just want more charges. You don't care about that.
It's all good.
Put your shoes on.
No, it's all good.
Put your shoes on. You tripping.
No, y'all tripping.
No, you're tripping. They might want to do nothing to you.
Sure.
I got a mind and a wife.
Of
I
course
want to do
y'all
something to you. Put your money back.
You got a man, you got a woman, you got a wife and a kid, but you're a man who don't see no.
If you don't want to listen,
Fuck, shit corny.
listen.
I'm not even from here. Niggas trying to get on
ain't
me.
from
Y'all,
here either.
and y'all sitting here trying to lock me up like I'm a victim just because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 want to fucking make me look crazy. Fuck out of here.
Chill out.
The fuck you looking at, bitch? The fuck? I'm fucking looking at you.
Chill out,
Y'all
yo.
funny as hell. Especially you. With your corny ass. Ugly as hell. Bitch, what are you trying to fix? What are you talking about? You both wearing
like you and I look better than you.
You a model? Okay.
I know. Ha 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 ha.
All suspects are innocent until proven
Had to get her ass together, man. Had to get her together. That's it. You know, traveling isn't always easy. You know what I mean, right? You have delays, you have different things that's going on and stuff like that. So it's understandable to be frustrated. But the person that's working behind the counter it's not them. They just have a job to do. You know what I mean? Now that's understandable. You know that the plane is coming in and you guys don't have a ramp ready, so everybody got to sit there and wait. I could understand somebody's frustration with that, man. You know, but once again, just because that happens doesn't mean you go ripping out the mouse and throwing chairs and all that, throwing a temper tantrum like a 2-year-old. I mean, that's not called for.